Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Post Market Analysis with Jagadish, Chandran. Today we will be discussing on what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on and key levels to watch out for. Nifty opens around 19,770 to test the highs of 19,830 and closed at 19,780 zones for the day. Bank Nifty too opened around 43,790, saw profit booking, made lows of 43,585 to close around 43,689 zones, positive 0.24% for the day. Advance decline ratio was positive. Number of advances was 104 versus declines of 78. The advance decline ratio stood at 1.33. The India VIX stood at 12.23, positive 0.70%. Now, Nifty supports placed at 19,600 followed by 19,550, resistance placed at 19,840 followed by 19,860. Looking at the derivatives data, Nifty resistance placed at 19,880 followed by 19,890, supports placed at 19,740 followed by 19,630 zones. Bank Nifty resistance placed at 43,840 followed by 43,900, supports placed at 43,600 followed by 43,400 zones for the day. Technically, Nifty and Bank Nifty trading in a range awaiting for a directional move. Stock specific actions to continue. Look to add quality stocks to your long term portfolio for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I believe our market updates is helping our viewers in trading and investment decisions. If so, do hit the like button and share it to your loved ones looking for market updates and interesting insights. If you are watching our channel for the first time, do subscribe our channel for more market updates and interesting insights. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.